सो गाइज फर्स्ट फॉर यू एवरीवन गाइज, कोई शक नहीं होना चाहिए, इसलिए मेरे पास जो इंस्टॉल है गाइज मैं वो आई एम डिलीटिंग द एप्लीकेशन. See, I have downloaded this file, but I am deleting again for you guys.
I'm deleting it. Continue. Before I'm starting. I'm deleted guys, so now we have.
See guys, it is gone. Guys, welcome back to It's Pratham YouTube channel guys. Before we start the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get all the notification for our future videos and get tips and tricks. Let's get started. So guys, after you hit the subscribe button, now there would be a link in my description, this video's description. Just go, there is this Google Drive. In that there is this file. You have to just download. Click on this download and download it anyway. I have downloaded this file, so I am directly going there, but you just download. And guys, please delete that one application which you have. Delete the old application which you have already installed, and after downloading the application from the link, this would be the zip file. Just go there. Actually you can just extract all, browse, and then keep it on desktop, extract. And it is extracted guys. This is the file. After extracting, go to the file, do one guys. First download this application. Can you see? First download this application. So let's go. Yes, okay, next, accept, next. Guys, be sure you don't change this. Please just keep it default. Don't change this. Keep this as default. Don't change at all. Install. And then don't run guys, please don't run as well. You don't have to run. Finish. Then just go to crack side, crack. This 2 is there. Just go, copy it, copy, and just click on this application which we have installed. This was the app. Go here, more options, file location. This is the file location guys, and they just paste whatever you copy, just paste it and replace the file in the destination. Replace, continue, and the file is replaced. Now guys, you can open the application. Just click on more info and run it anyway. See guys, expired 99. This is the cracked version. Cracked version is working. Now I will show you by connecting my phone, my device. Let's go guys. So guys, after installing, you have to run the application. After running, can you see the application? We have opened the application. You need nothing. This is my iPad. I am doing by iPad. You just need an Apple cable and connect to the port, and voila, the screen is shared. And as you can see now, I will just show you. See, it is exact. I will just open BGMI. See guys, I am changing here. It is very accurate and no voice delay, nothing is there. I will just keep it running. As you can see, it is exact guys, exactly. So guys, screen is still shared. See guys, as you can see, the screen is shared. I made it full scale. I will just show you how to do the OBS settings. Just go to OBS. I'm at OBS. Just go on add. Then you have to add display capture, or just do window capture. This window capture. Okay, and see the screen arrives. Do on iPad. Just click OK. Extend it how you want it. For me, I just transform. I just do the transform edit transform and just cut the borders and make it like fit to the screen. So just stretch to screen and just cut the borders, just do the transform. So if you want to see, I will just show you my setup. Give me a second. So just showing you guys my setup. I'm just doing it. And as you can see, I have cropped the edges. See, so just transform properly. If you want, I can just share my properties as well. These properties. Okay, wait, I have to share the transform screen. Just go here and transform, edit transform. As you can see, I have transformed top 40. So guys, now I am showing you how accurate it is. I am just going here warehouse and starting the inventory. Now on the audio on the screen, you can see you will get all the game sound, you know, gunshots and everything. So now I will take you back to the screen, guys. So guys, now I am showing you how accurate it is. I am just going here warehouse and starting the inventory. Now on the audio on the screen, you can see you will get all the game sound, you know, gunshots and everything. So now I will take you back to the screen, guys. Nice.
No mercy. Clear. Reloading. Cover me. Reloading.
ओ भाई मैं बहुत ही क्या दस राउंड में बहुत ही ऐसा मैं ऐसा का गाइस अकाउंट डिलीट प्रॉपर्ली हमारा इट इज वेरी वेरी most of my in the most of my inside most of actually this is still market भाई बड़ा था लेकिन चलता है I'm alone. Oh, it's on you now. So guys, this is the gameplay. Now you got like it is a
Very good application, lag free, and you will get all the audio. There is not even 1% of audio delay or audio synchronization, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and please hit that subscribe button if you still haven't. If you have learned something new, then just drop a comment. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the another video. Bye.